Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm sorry that I didn't post last week. That's because I had my exams. Now I'll try to post every single week. So sorry again, and let's get into this new video. So today I'm making an unboxing video and I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony 2020 headphones that have noise cancelling and they are wireless with 35 hours of battery life and Bluetooth and NFC. So let's get started. So let's see what's inside the box now. I guess it opens from the top. So let's quickly open the flaps. And now we will take this cardboard box out. Come out quick. Oh, I think it's stuck. Pull, 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 pull. And here it came out. You put this box aside now. And let's concentrate on this box first. So let's see what we get to see first. So we see headphones and this cable. So let's put the headphones aside and let's see what's inside this. So if you open it from here, and then we see 2 instruction manuals. And then we see an AUX cable and a charging cable. So let's put that aside, and now let's take a look at the headphones. So let's talk about how comfortable these headphones are and do they look good while you're wearing them. So these are pretty soft, like the ear cups are really soft. So you can use them for quite a long time without your ears having to pain, which happens most of the times with non-over-ear headphones. So let's talk about the looks now. They don't look that big at all, as they are over-ear headphones. The ear cups are going to be quite large, but they're not as large as most of the people think they are. And they will just look fine, just like other over-ear headphones. So let's talk about the build quality now. It is made of this hard plasticky material, but it still feels kind of premium and it is quite strong. Let me do a drop test really quickly. You can see they're all fine and will be fine. So pairing is pretty easy. All you need to do is just turn on the headphones and put them on pairing mode, and then turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And then once you go onto settings, you see this device. You just press connect, and then it will automatically connect, and then the blue light will stop flashing. The battery life is pretty amazing because I used these for about a day and I still had 20 or 25% of battery left. So these will last you for a whole day without having you charging them again and again and again. The fitting is pretty good because the ear cups are quite large, so most of the ear sizes can fit, and the moving ear cups give it a really nice fit. Another cool thing that they have put into these headphones is the AUX cable, and I'll tell you what it does. They say that in case if you run out of battery, I don't think you ever will, but if you do, you can use this connecting cable and then you can connect it to your headphones and into your phone, and then now you can use these headphones wired onto your phone, which is pretty cool. And you can also use them on gaming consoles that don't support wireless headphones. Let's talk about noise cancellation. It is able to block most of the voice coming from the background, but if someone is standing right next to you and they're talking, you will be able to clearly hear them. But I think it works pretty well at the price point. Overall, I'll give these headphones a good score of 4.5 out of 5, and I'll highly recommend it to those who want good sound quality and noise cancelling headphones that are over ear at a fairly low price. So like, share and subscribe guys. See you in the next video. Bye.